And now we move on to the budget line. Okay, let's see what the budget line is. Let's construct a budget line. So say if the price of X is pound 2 and price of Y is pound 1, and your income or your budget, okay, your budget is pound 30. So you go to the market with 30 pounds in your pocket and you can buy only X or Y. Okay, you cannot buy anything else. Okay, only X or Y, and the price of X is pound 2, whereas the price of Y is pound 1. Right? So in that case, how many units of good X can you buy if you are spending all your money on X, right? So you will have 15 units of X and you will have 0 units of Y, right? If you are spending all your money on Y, you will have 30 units of good Y whereas 0 units of good X, right? And these are the combinations. If you have other combinations, of course, right? If you have 5 units of good X, then 5 multiplied by 2, you will have to spend 10 pounds on that, and 20 pounds you will spend on each 20 units of Y. So 20 plus 10, you will spend 30 pounds. Okay. So if you are spending all your money, these will be the combinations. These are few of the combinations, right? So this is going to be your budget line, right? If you spend all your money on X, you have 15 of X and 0 of Y. If you are spending all your money on Y, you have 30 units of Y and 0 units of X, and these are the other two combinations. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, right? So let's consider the effect of a change in income. Okay, our income was 30 pounds right now. Let's consider if we change our income. So right now we had income equal to 30, but while price of X was 2 and price of Y was 1, but if we have a higher income, say our income is equal to 40 now, then we can have 40 units of Y if we are spending all the money on Y, or if we are spending all the money on X, then we will be able to spend 20 units, we will be able to buy 20 units of X. So our points will be 40, 0, 40 and 20, 0, and you draw the straight line, you will have the new budget line, right? Where 40 is the new income, new budget, right? So from budget 30, red line is your budget line. When budget is equal to 40, this is the blue line is your new budget line, right? Where assumptions are price of X is 2 and price of Y is 1, right? So M is you will buy 16 and 16 of Y, whereas 7 of X. 7 of X multiplied by 2, you will have 14 pounds being spent on X and 16 pounds on Y, right? So that's 30. Whereas if you have N, which is on the new budget line where you can spend 40 pounds, then 20 units of Y, and if you spend 20 units of Y, if you buy 20 units of Y, you spend 20 pounds and you are left with 20 more pounds, so you can buy 10 more units of goods, good X, because price of X is 2 pounds, right? So that's your new point, and that's how your new budget lines work, right? Now let's consider the effect of a change in price. So our earlier prices were price of X is 2, price of Y is 1, while the budget is 30, right? If that's our budget line, right? But if the price of X goes from pound 2 to pound 1, then we will be able to buy 30 units of good X if you are spending all your money on X, and so this will be your new budget line. That's A over there and that's C over here, which is the A has been common because price of Y has not changed, but price of X has changed. So if you spend all your money on good X, now earlier you were able to buy up till B, now you are able to buy till C, right? And this is going to be your new budget line, right? Let's go through this question.